Whoa, hey, you want to know what this does? Let me show you. So I received this to test out and give my honest opinion on. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm actually going to show you some of the different things that this recessed lighting set does. It's actually very professional. Now, you have access to over 16 million colors that you customize in your home. You could put this just about anywhere in your home as long as you have recessed lighting and you have the capability to be able to put this in your house. This gives you ambience environment in your home that takes your home to the next level. So let's take a look at what this can do for you. And by the way, if you want to check this out for yourself, link is in the description. All right, before we get started, what I'm about to show you is the 8-pack of the 6-inch ones. Now they have other options available, such as the 4-inch 8-pack, 4-inch 4-pack, 6-inch 4-pack, and then 6-inch 8-pack. So I've got the 8-pack of the 6-inch recessed lighting package. By the way, this is really professional packaging, I'm just saying. All right, so let's open this up. So as you can see, we've got the instruction manual. Before we go any further, very important that you pay attention to this instruction manual because it is literally going to show you step by step everything that you need to do in detail. There's a QR code that you need to do that's on the previous page. That's going to download the instruction guide, the video instruction guide if you need that. And that video shows you exactly step by step how to install these. Of course, you got the step by step instructions here. And then you're going to want to download the Smart Life app, and you just simply click on that. Just search Smart Life app, and then everything else in here is very simple. All you got to do is sync them in after you have them all installed. Everything you need is inside here. You have multiple light settings you could do, different modes such as colorful, gorgeous, reading, dating, working. You could do music, rhythm. You can actually set your lights up on a schedule. You can even do hardscape lighting where you can have really nice lighting effects outside. But basically the possibilities are really endless if you think about it. Now, inside of the package is two parts, this part and this part, that has all of the different lights and accessories and things that you need with a little divider in the middle. All right, so as you can see, we've got everything nice and packaged, super professional. Let's go ahead and check this out. All right, the way that it's packaged together, it is one light on this side and this light on that side. So let's go ahead and we're going to take it out of the package. It's kind of like a Ziploc bag, which is pretty cool. All right, so here is the light. Okay, this is the connector to connect it to the junction box. Well, I'll show you in just a second. And then this right here is simply what is going to see these two things that flip open right here. This is simply you're going to push them up, push them into the hole in your ceiling or wherever there's going. And then this will automatically keep it to where it is locked in place and it will stay in place. Here is one of the junction boxes. All right, so let's check this out. Now this is what's going to connect to the actual light itself right there. And then right here it's going to open up for you to get access to all of the wiring that is inside of your home. And so you got to make sure that your house is compatible with these, that, you know, these aren't just regular light bulbs that you screw in. These are going to be the recessed lighting that's going to connect to the electric inside of your home. And so this is simply what is inside the package. So remember, all you have to do, follow the instructions right here. If you need step-by-step video instructions, scan the QR code inside of this instruction manual. Very easy to install. Hey, welcome back. So listen, something like this is what you really need if you want to take your home to the next level. I mean, literally, you could take an entire room in your house and turn it into like a gaming room, into a movie experience. You could take your music to the next level, play your favorite 80s songs if you're like me, and then have this going, and then the lights are going to the music. So many different applications that you could do with this. If you want to check this out for yourself, go to the description of this video and go ahead and check this out for yourself. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I have a ton of other video reviews that I am coming out with that are really amazing, different products and things. I even have some iPhone cases for the new iPhone 15 that is about to come out that I'm really excited to review. So if you have not already, make sure you subscribe and I will see you on the next video.